All right, I am testing a cookie butter fudge. I have no idea if this is going to work or not. I'm just giving it a try. It's my Biscoff cookie butter. This is all the way from England, I think. I don't know. Okay, it's basically an entire 14-ounce jar minus maybe a quarter cup. So, I don't know. Let's see how this works. All right. Well, it smells really good. All right, if you want more fudge of my 2-ingredient fudge recipes, Dining on a Dime Volume 2 has my original recipes in there with several variations. Now, this is going in my new cookbook, 200 candy and fudge recipes, coming out in hopefully September or October. All right, now, if you wanted to, you could get, well, I don't know if this is gonna work yet. If this works, you could get some cookies and crush it up and put it on top to decorate too. All right. Ooh, I don't know if this is gonna work. This is pretty thin. All right. Tap out all the bubbles. And we're gonna set this in the fridge and see if it'll set up. I don't know if it works. I don't know if it doesn't. Give it a try. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off now. Okay, got my fudge here. Now for fudges, if you want a thicker fudge, so see this pan is a 9x9, but this one's a 7x7. So of course this one's gonna make a thicker fudge. So just use a smaller one, or make a double batch if you want. Here we go. This is really, really good. It tastes just like the Biscoff cookies. Oh my goodness. This one's a 10 out of 10. Gotta love it.